In CloneForce, operators don't just chat, they take real actions inside real systems. When your Zoho operator updates a CRM record, or your Sheets operator writes to a live pipeline tracker, there is no undo button. That's why the best operator prompts are specific, safe, and structured. Think of it like handing a new employee full CRM access on day one. You wouldn't say, update some deals. You'd hand them a checklist. That checklist has 5 parts: your objective, the system and record context, field level instructions, guardrails, and the desired output with confirmation. Every strong operator prompt follows this formula. Let's start with Zoho. Rule 1. Make the target record unmistakable. Zoho CRM holds thousands of contacts, deals, and accounts. A vague reference like the Acme deal can match multiple records across multiple pipelines. Anchor every prompt to a module plus a unique identifier, the record's email address, its exact deal name, or the specific pipeline it lives in. Here's a critical detail. Without an explicit guardrail telling it to stop and ask, an operator may make its best guess and act, silently and immediately. Rule 2. Be explicit about fields and values. Don't tell the operator to update the deal. Tell it exactly which fields change and what values to use, including stage names, statuses, and pick list options, exactly as they appear in Zoho. This eliminates failed writes and data inconsistencies downstream. Rule 3. Set guardrails. Operators act with real credentials on live data. Every Zoho prompt should include clear safety rules. Don't delete anything. Ask before proceeding if multiple records match. And always summarize proposed changes before any bulk edit. These rules cost almost nothing to add, and they prevent the most costly mistakes. Now Google Sheets. The same principle applies. Precision first. Always name the exact spreadsheet title as it appears in Drive, the specific worksheet tab, and the cell range. If the operator can't locate the file by that exact name, it should search Drive and confirm before taking any action. Rule 2 for Sheets. Define the schema. Tell the operator what each column means and what format it expects. Dates in YYY, MMDD, currency in USD. No merged cells. Spreadsheets fail silently when formats are wrong. A little schema definition up front prevents hours of cleanup later. Rule 3. Be explicit about write behavior. Append and overwrite are not interchangeable. Overwrite mode on a live pipeline tracker can silently wipe months of historical data in seconds. Always specify, append new rows only, and include deduplication logic, for example, deduplicate by email and company name. When you chain Zoho and Sheets together, bridge both systems in a single prompt. Specify what fields to extract from Zoho, map them to the exact target columns in Sheets by name, and define the column order and format before the operator writes a single row. Use this 5-part template every time. Objective, system and record or sheet, actions, constraints and guardrails, and output with confirmation. And here's one more pro tip. Encode your standing guardrails in your clone's childhood section under the Info tab. Set them once, and they apply automatically to every operator run without restating them in every prompt. Precise prompts make operators predictable, and predictable operators are powerful ones.